For the spring dance concert, the Performing Arts Center on East Campus sold 250 tickets to Valencia faculty and students and collected $1,610 in revenue. If the tickets sold to faculty cost $8 each and the ones sold to students cost $5 each, how many tickets were sold to faculty and students? Let's label our variables and let X represent the number of faculty tickets and Y represent the number of student tickets. So they tell us that we sold a total of 250 tickets. So the number of faculty tickets plus the number of student tickets totaled or equals 250. That's our first equation that we're going to use for our system. The next one is based on the cost and revenue. So the tickets were $8 each for faculty and $5 each for students, and it was a total revenue of $1,610. So that equation would be 8x plus 5y equals 1,610. Now we're going to use this system to find out how many faculty tickets were sold and how many student tickets were sold. So we need to eliminate a variable, and we're going to get rid of x this time. So in order to get rid of the x variables, we only have to multiply the first equation by -8. So when we do that, we'll have -8x minus 8y equals -2,000. And then we'll just rewrite this equation and then start solving this system. So 8x plus 5y equals 1,610. Now, to solve this system, let's add the equations. So -8x plus 8x cancels out. -8y plus 5y is -3y. And then -2,000 plus 1,610 is -390. Then to solve for y, we'll divide both sides by -3. So y equals +130. So this means they sold 130 student tickets. Now let's use this information to solve for x. Let's use the original first equation because it'll be really easy to use. So let's just rewrite it. X plus y equals 250. So we're going to plug in our y value and solve for x. So if y is 130, then we can solve for x by subtracting both sides by 130, and we end up with x equals 120. So that means that they sold 120 faculty tickets. So in conclusion, they sold 120 faculty tickets and 130 student tickets.